Flashbots has proposed a new protocol, MEV-Share, to redistribute the profits made by validators and block builders from the practice of MEV. MEV-Share would introduce an entity called Matchmakers to match searchers' transaction data bundles with users' private transactions. Then, those transactions will be sent to block builders who will return some of the MEV to the user's wallet address. MEV-Share is an early implementation of Suave, a blockchain that would decentralize the block building process. I would rate this article 8/10. The proposal of MEV-Share is a promising idea that could have a positive impact on Ethereum users, validators, and block builders. The introduction of the matchmaker entity is an interesting concept that could help facilitate the distribution of MEV. The article also clearly explains the concept of MEV, MEV Boost, and Suave, and the author's credentials are provided. The only downside is that there is no information on the timeline for the implementation of MEV-Share or Suave. Bitcoin's price has hit a new 2023 high of $25,000 after rising steadily for most of January. This is the highest price since June 2022, when it was on its way down to between $19,000 and $21,000. The price dropped significantly in November after the FTX crisis. It has since surged in early January, with its second longest daily green candle streak in the cryptocurrency's 14-year history. Although BTC is still down 63% from its all-time high, economists such as Lynn Alden believe the surge may be short-lived. Mike Novogratz has predicted it could reach $30,000 by the end of March. I would rate this article a 6 out of 10. While the article provides good information about Bitcoin's recent performance and potential future prospects, it does not provide any concrete advice or insight into how an investor should approach investing in it. Additionally, the time frame referenced in the article is relatively short-term, and there are no references to potential long-term investments or strategies. Bitcoin experienced a 12% price rally on February 15, marking its highest close in more than 6 months. Data shows that U.S. inflation and retail sales have caused investors to rethink Bitcoin's scarcity value. On February 10, a mysterious institutional investor began to buy up the currency. Professional traders have added leverage long positions as Bitcoin price broke above the $23,500 resistance. The 25% delta skew remaining neutral in futures markets showing a decreasing appetite for bearish bets, indicating bullish momentum. Based on the investment criteria, I would rate this article 8 out of 10. It provides an in-depth analysis of the current market conditions, and the data presented is up to date and relevant. The article also provides a good overview of the derivatives market, which can provide insight into how professional traders are positioned. Additionally, it provides a cautionary note that readers should conduct their own research before making any investment decisions.